Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by deciding what success looks like, a specific hours per day or percent reduction target. Once set, audit your top 5 apps and label which are essential versus distracting. Next, you remove notification pings and turn on Do Not Disturb for focused blocks. Make sure to set basic app limits now and uninstall one truly useless app. This small action creates momentum and reduces friction. You'll feel resistance at first, but these initial changes immediately cut frictionless scrolling and start shifting your environment in your favor. Now you restructure daily patterns to replace automatic phone use. Once done, build 2 to 3 phone-free blocks, mornings, meal times, and the hour before bed, and use timers to enforce them. Make the phone less appealing by turning on grayscale and activating strict app limits. Pair those with a physical landing spot away from your reach. When urges arise, immediately switch to a preplanned activity for 15 to 30 minutes, walking, reading, or a short chore. Over time, these deliberate substitutions weaken the reflex to check your device. To finish, commit to a weekly review of your usage stats and note one win plus one adjustment to keep improving. You reward steady progress with a small non-tech treat to reinforce new habits. Make sure rewards don't reintroduce phone time. If you slide back, troubleshoot immediately. Reset your environment by removing tempting apps, reduce allowed minutes, and tell an accountability partner. You'll likely need a few resets. This is normal, so treat setbacks as data, not failure, and tighten controls until your new routine stabilizes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.